Well, I've been making these videos recently, whether it's changing the battery, doing the fluids, changing the fuel filter or whatever it might be. I've just noticed a couple of areas that might need a bit of attention. Around the vacuum pump here we've got a bit of dirt and grime. I was thinking that that could be leading to kind of a leak further down below. And then around the fuel filler cap just underneath, it actually looks a bit wetter down there as well. But further down below, like I say, right underneath it, there's nothing wet, there's no drips of oil or anything like that. So I don't think it's an issue. I think it may just be where the oil's been overfilled a bit too quickly before once perhaps, and it might have just overflowed. On the inside here, we can see the same. There's a bit of dampness, a bit of moisture there. Doesn't look like it's gone any further, like I say, and it is literally right on the inside of the oil filler cap there. So it could just be that it's been poured in and it's just run down here and ended up obviously coming down here. So what I think I'm going to do is just clean this up, just get a bit of brake fluid, I don't want to do that, get a bit of brake cleaner just on a bit of tissue, give it a wipe down, and then we can just keep our eye on it. Great, okay, so with that a whole lot cleaner around there, I think what we can do now is just monitor it. We'll come back to it, we'll check it in a few hundred miles or anything, something like that, should we say, just to see if there's any more leaks, if there's any oil gone anywhere. I think probably it's just grime over the course of time. Like I say, it's 10 years old now. Happy birthday, car. It was the car's birthday on Wednesday, but yeah, hopefully that's not going to be an issue. I don't want to take any the vacuum pump off or anything like that. There's no issues, the brakes are all working fine and so on, so the vacuum lines are all good. So I'm not going to disturb the gasket or anything like that by removing it. You can buy them relatively cheap online, but like I say, I don't want to disturb the gasket by removing it for no purpose. Maybe what we'll do in the future, we've still got to do the intercooler clean out, so we'll be taking the front bumper off. When we come to do that, what we'll do is perhaps take off the intake line, and then we can clean up a bit more just inside there as well once we've got a bit more working room. But if you've had any of them issues and you know what it is, you know that it's actually I don't know, a split gasket somewhere, or there is an issue, then maybe yeah, let me know in the comments below so that I can then look to try and fix it, look to do another video where we rectify whatever the problem is. But like I say, I think for now it's probably just where the oil's been filled up a little bit enthusiastically perhaps, and it's just gone over the top there, and it's just sat there, and obviously yeah, just in the same there where it's run down over there and then just come down to that point there. So I've put the engine cover back on, started the engine back up, just make sure everything's okay. Having sprayed fluids on the top of the engine, just wanted to make sure that we've not compromised any electrical connectors or anything like that, but it's all good. So we're going to leave it there for today. Like I say, we'll just keep an eye on those points, make sure that if there's any more leaks that we can see exactly where it's coming from now, hopefully. But like I say, if you've experienced it before and you know exactly what's happening, let me know in the comments down below, and then we can look at fixing it on another video that we can get out soon. There's loads more videos on the channel as well, so yeah, thanks for watching, really appreciate your time. Hit like and subscribe, or like and subscribe, and yeah, see you on the next one. Cheers.